Yes, for 2 points. Grabe, ang hirap pigilan itong fast break na Sampayan Brothers. Mabantay. Albiola for 3. Yes. Flores for 3 points by Albiola. Red ball, number 77, Lorenzo. Yan, hinaon. Wala ka katanaw. Grabe yan. Grabe kinaliwa. Kinaliwa pa. Number 7. Number 27. Foul number 20. Number 77. Number may paupo-upo pa. Ang dito nila. Number 11. Dumiretso. Yes, for 2 points. Number 77. Sumalaksa. Yes, for 2 points. Grabe talaga ito. Di mapigilan ang bulldozer ng Bikera. Number 8. Grabe kasi siya. Aliyot. Number 77. Foul! Number 20. Isay foul. Number 27. Crisostomo. Ibigyan ang muna. Nagpablahan ng titira ng 3. Pinasa pa na. Kumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound sa biyahe na all. Number 77. Dumiretso. Foul. Number 11. Albiola. 14 foul. Warning for penalties. Warning for penalty and Lodi. Score 20-31. Dalawang pukol. Yes, for 2 points. 1 point. 32. Number 11. Nasa number 10. Kumira ng press. Wala. Rebound number 77. Foul number 77. Mula sa Lodi.
Last 3 minutes and 21 seconds.
Crisostomo. Yes. For foul comment. Sakura 35. 1 point na ito niyan. Number 11. Dadalang bola. Spin. Number 8. Black play biyahe niya naman. Grabe ito ba? Nag-upset yung dalawa. Number 11. For 2 points. 3 points. 3 points. Number 77 to number 27. Biyahe na number 7 to number 27. Long 2, yes. Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 8 to number 7, yes. Number 9, hindi na lang kulang. Number 9, foul. Number 8. Penalty na, penalty. Penalty. 5. 5 fouls na, Lodi.
Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Time remaining for the second quarter.
Substitution rate. Okay. Ball is dalawang ball. Yes, again. Maraming tackles yan. Number 21, superhero ng Lodi. Number 8, pa rin. Rebound number 1.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Foul number 9, Origosa. Wala tayong penalty. Third team foul. Si Surek travel and violation. Score 24-39 in favor of Sabayan Brothers. Pinasa sa kalaban. Biyahe nila lang hirapan ng tulakbo. Number 11 is 4 points. Remaining time 1 minute 39 seconds. Kaya nila all. Number 9 for 3 points. Okay, number 9 for 21. Ilan ang dress? Ilan pa rin? Biyahe nila all. Grabe ang taas ng lipat. Grabe ang alayok yan. Sayang, ginagawa. Number 11, wala. Remaining time 1 minute and 4 seconds. For 3.
Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
55 seconds. Number 9, number 27. Long two, yes. Grabe. 44-29. Anytime, 40 seconds. 38 seconds. 36 seconds. 40 seconds. And Pinoy, yes. Stepping the line. Stepping the line. Bola sa Lodi. Lodi mulahin ka. Bola sa number 9. 22 seconds. 20 seconds. This is correct. Foul number 21. Penalty. 2 free throws.
Last 14 seconds.
Last 14 seconds. Yes. 1 point. Another one. Rebound number 5. 12 seconds. 10.
9, 8, 7, 6.
This is your net. Stop. Foul number.
Last 5 seconds.
Who's fouling? 77. Foul. Unang pukol. Yes. Ikalawang pukol. Another one. Yes. 4 points. 3, 2, 1. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating